institutional capital is flooding into Solana-based products at a pace not seen since February, and that shift is quietly rewriting the calculus for early-stage crypto investments. The Solana ETF market recorded $39.2 million in net inflows last week, its strongest weekly performance in over a year, with Bitwise alone capturing $36 million. That surge pushed cumulative institutional holdings past $1.06 billion, and Sol broke above its 100-day moving average for the first time since October 2025. But the real story isn't just Solana's recovery, it's what smart money is doing beyond ETFs. A new presale is pulling in capital at a rate that defies the broader market downturn, and the pattern matches early signals from past breakout rallies. The asset in question is Pepeto, a project led by the co-founder of the original Pepe coin, which once surged to an $11 billion market cap without a single functional product. This time, the blueprint includes working infrastructure. PepetoSwap enables zero-fee trading, a cross-chain bridge moves assets without eroding positions through fees, and the entire smart contract stack has undergone a SolidProof audit. These tools are not theoretical, code is live, and the audit confirms buyer funds are secured ahead of the Binance listing. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The Pepeto presale has already raised over $10.04 million, and what makes that figure significant is timing. This capital arrived while the broader market was retreating, not during a euphoric rally. That behavior mirrors institutional behavior, buying when fear is high, not when headlines are loud. The entry price sits at 0.000000187, and analysts are projecting 100x to 300x returns once the Binance listing goes live. The tokenomics echo those of the original Pepe, with a 420 trillion supply cap, but this time there's a critical difference: utility. The same supply model that fueled viral speculation now underpins a functioning exchange and staking ecosystem. For early holders, staking offers a 173% APY if they commit before the presale window closes, locking in yield while positioning for potential upside. This combination of low entry cost, audited contracts, and high-yield incentives is drawing new wallets by the hour, many of them splitting allocations between Solana ETFs and this emerging opportunity. The important part is not just the inflows, it's the parallel behavior between institutional ETF buyers and private investors in the Pepeto presale. Both groups are acting on conviction during a period of market uncertainty. Still, the projections remain just that, projections. While the team's pedigree and audit status add credibility, past performance does not guarantee future results. The original Pepe coin had no product and still rallied. Pepeto has both product and pedigree, but success still hinges on post-listing liquidity, trading volume, and sustained demand. The 100x potential assumes a Binance listing occurs as expected and that market conditions remain receptive. Nothing is guaranteed, and the same infrastructure that secures funds could also be overwhelmed if demand spikes unpredictably. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Solana itself trades at $91, still down 69% from its all-time high of $295 in January 2025. The upcoming Alpenglow upgrade, expected in Q3 2026, aims to slash finality time from 12 seconds to just 150 milliseconds, a major technical leap. Analysts forecast Sol could reach $114 to $150 by year-end if support holds above $80. But even a 60% to 150% return on Sol pales next to the math emerging from the Pepeto presale, where early allocations could yield exponentially higher multiples. The key difference is timing and access. ETFs offer regulated exposure, but presales offer asymmetric risk-reward if you're in before the door closes. The final signal to watch is not price, it's momentum. Over $10.04 million raised during a fearful market is not noise. It's a footprint left by capital that believes the next major listing event is already in motion. The Pepeto is not just another token launch. It's a convergence of timing, team, infrastructure, and market psychology. Whether it delivers on its 100x potential depends on execution, but the early indicators, audits, staking yield, exchange tools, and the Binance listing horizon are now locked in. The window remains open, but every hour that passes fills it faster. The next move isn't about prediction, it's about position.